can like really see my freckles for once. Who thought of that dance? Because it looks so silly. Like, I got the concept, like, I get it. But, I don't know. Look how fucking white I am.